Hey guys, I'm here with my daughter Ansley. Say hey. Hey. And we're happy to be back together because for the past weekend I was in Nashville, Tennessee recording a project. I had the opportunity to go with my friend Paul Brazel from church and record with my friend Nathan Vocock, with an old friend Tommy Carnes, who's a producer up in Nashville. We had the opportunity to do 5 songs and start a project that I've wanted to do for a long time now. But the truth is, I actually need some help to finish. And I would love to have your help me finish these songs, get them mastered and get them packaged really well, and maybe even record a couple more songs here at Archer Avenue Studios in Columbia, South Carolina. So would you consider giving a small gift from $5 up to $20 or even more if you're interested to help me get to my $2,000 goal so I can get this project done? Really appreciate your help. If you're a church member, if you're a friend, if you're family, thank you so much for considering giving to this project. I look forward to sharing it with you soon. Thanks. Give him a wave.
Bye.
Bye.